So if you're interested in a giant Amazon nail haul, then look no further, because I am here to share with you a large amount of stuff that I've recently ordered off of Amazon. I have the box right down here. I can't pick it up because it's pretty heavy and it's really full, and I can't wait to show you guys all the fun nail goodies that I got. So if you're interested, definitely keep on watching, and I love you guys, and let's get into it. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, I got this lovely glitter mat. I've been wanting one of these for literally ever because I just think it's super cute. Tell me what you think. Love this. So I got that. To quickly start off, I got another one of these 100% acetones, and it came with a nail file, which is cute. Love that. Definitely can't have enough of either one of these. Then I got, this is the Unella nail glue gel. This is, let me grab it. Let me drop it on the floor. This is this same glue, but this is a huge one. I'm not going to open it up because I still have some left in this, but this is 40 grams and this one is 10 grams. So it's 4 times the size, and this is my favorite nail glue, so I'm really excited about that. Let's open this up. Oh my god, it's really small. This is the Young Nails Protein Bond that everyone loves so much. I really wanted to try it out. It is talked about so much. It's supposed to make your sets last really long, so I'm super excited. I guess this goes in place of a primer. It's just really tiny. But I guess if it's really good, then it's worth it. So here it is next to my Après one for size comparison. So it is 0.25 fluid ounces. Let me know down below if you've tried this and if it's good and if it makes a difference in the longevity of your sets. Please let me know. I'm very interested. Next, I can't wait to try, I got the Macart nail glue remover. This is, I guess, kind of like a dupe for the Jello peel off base. Let's see what it looks like. I also got their peel off base coat, but I'm still waiting for that. I think it's coming in like a day. So let's see what we get in here. Okay. It's a nice size bottle. Almost 2 ounces. It's glass. Comes with a little brush and little pusher sticks and directions. I'm super excited to try this because I definitely want to start using peel off bases more, and also it works for like press on nails. So yeah, excited. I feel like this background is making everything look really good. Like when I was holding this up, it looks like really nice. Okay. Then I got a Macart rhinestone glue gel. I have been using this one from Shein. It's starting to get a little bit low, so I wanted to replenish, and when I was ordering, this was on sale for $5.99, which was a really good price, and like everybody uses it. I'm really happy with this one. It works perfect. But I figured let's give this one a try this time. They're the exact same size. I really think these are most likely the same product, just printed with Macart's label on it, so I'll keep you posted on that one. Next, which I'm also excited about, I've been dying to open these. I believe these are nail art brushes. Oh my gosh. And I wanted these because they have tops or whatever, and it actually tells you the millimeters on the brushes. So we have a 9mm, 5, 20 millimeter, 25 millimeter, so I'm really excited to use these. I want to definitely get into more nail art very, very soon. So very excited and happy with those. Next, I got a huge 200-piece pack of nail swatches, and you're going to see why. I got so many nail swatch sticks. Love these. These are the ones I always get. They're just like, I don't know, medium or short square, whatever. They're perfect. I needed these so bad. Okay, let's break into this stuff right here. So, as you know, I am a nail tip hoarder extraordinaire, and I wanted to test out desperately some Unella brand nail tips because I love their glue so much, and I wanted to see what their tips were all about because I've never tried them. Okay, so here we have some long squares. I'm not sure how many are in this box, but they look really nice. Let's move this out of the way. I think it's like $2.40. These were $9.99. Oh, these are nice. They're pre-buffed, pre-etched. Very nice extra long square tips. And the reason, oh my gosh, the reason I wanted these as well was because they have a very flat focus, flat Z curve. And my nail beds are really flat, so there you are for the length of those. I can't wait to try these. Oh my gosh, they're really, really sturdy up here. Oh, these are going to be nice, and they're bendable down there. Love it. I have very high hopes for these. Let's see. Okay. Here we have some extra long, or I think these were actually extra long stilettos. Oh my gosh, the quality of these is really nice. These are some strong nails, and the etching is like really etched. Like, it's not just matted, it has like a texture to it, which is the point. So, oh, those are beautiful. I'm gonna get so much use out of these. Oh my gosh, this brand nails, I don't know what took me so long to try them. So, next box. I don't even remember ordering all these. Okay, I think this is, okay, Unella soft gel nail tips. They come with this nice little sleeve. Do they say on the bottom? Well, obviously they're squares, but they don't mark the boxes. I believe they're short squares. Oh my gosh, they are so cute. These are such good quality. These are a little bit more bendable than the other ones, but they still feel really, really good. These are cute. So there's that. You see the little flower in there, and again, the etching on the inside is actually etched, which I don't have any actually etched like that much. Love that. And you get a lot in here, and the box is really pretty. Look at that hollow name. Nice. Very happy. Last box of tips. Again, we have the sleeve type, and these are medium almonds. I've been grabbing out a size 2. These all come in sizes 0 to 11. Oh my god, these are so nice. So I have on medium. almonds right now. These Unella ones would be a tiny bit shorter, which is nice because I've honestly been wanting some shorter ones. These are perfect. So they're just a tiny bit shorter, and again, perfect textured inside. Yes, that's what we want. These are some good quality nails. Wow. Really pleased, and I do love that. And honestly, since I'm filming, like, I am loving this mat so much. Okay, so now I'm so excited about this because I am the person who is always searching out glitter top coats and I can never find anything. So this right here is a glitter top coat 6-piece set from Beetles. Okay, they are top coats with glitter. Like, that's really hard to find. The only glitter top coat I've ever found, which is honestly really good, is from Shein. It's this one right here. It is a no wipe. And I really, really like this one, but I can never find any glitter top coats, and I don't know why. Sorry, my robe. But, yeah. So I'm definitely going to be doing dedicated swatch videos for this because I'm so excited, but I just want to show you. Wow, these are super nice. Let's just peer into them. These bottles are way bigger than I was expecting. I paid, I think, $19.99 for this, and you can buy them separate. So it has a little thing, which is nice. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm going to show you them all really quick. These bottles are so nice. Oh, it's so beautiful. And like I said, oh my god, I'm so happy that they made this. Oh my god. Glitter top coats, yes. This one is hearts, guys. Like, come on. Pretty. I can't wait to try these. Ooh, there's stars in this one. Can you see that? Stars and moons holographic. Oh my god. This is making me so happy. Literally, like, over the moon. Stop it right now. Like, you know these are super cute. Oh my gosh. I can't. How cute is that, guys? But yeah, like I said, they sell these separate too, but I wanted them all. Because this is, like, right up my alley. Whoa. That's gorgeous. It has like a pink shift to it. Loving this. This was like really a great purchase. But I'm not going to open this right now because I'm going to do a dedicated video on it. This is a Savvy Land jelly polish kit. I'm gonna open it, but I'm not gonna swatch these or like anything. This is definitely getting its own video, like, because you guys know I needed another jelly. Getting so excited. I needed another jelly kit, right? But it was a really good deal. And oh my god, it came with little nail art brushes. Very nice. Look how beautiful. You guys know I am going to update you on these, do a full video. You let me know what you want to see first because I do have another gel polish kit to show you. it's really heavy. This is like, this makes me so happy. So here we have this huge Roslin gel polish kit. I have never used Roslin polishes before, so packaging is really cute. This is really big. It's on the back. 7 free blah blah blah. Okay. Getting excited. I'm hitting my tripod. Oh my good God. Look at this. This is absolutely gorgeous. Matte top, regular top, another top, base coat, base coat. Oh my God, you got 2 base coats, 2 top coats, 1 matte coat, and all of these beautiful colors. The reason I picked this one is because, well, I wanted to try Roslin polishes so bad, and I wanted something different, colors different from what I usually have, and this one seemed to have a lot of glitters in it, which makes me very happy. So let's just take this all in. Let's just pull one out. How about this one? I don't have anything like that. These are tiny bottles, but when you buy bigger kits, you usually get smaller bottles, and that is fine with me. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Let's look at the purple. Love it. So you guys let me know down below which gel polish kit you want to see first. I'll definitely take your ideas into account. I am waiting for one more polish set that I ordered that didn't arrive yet. I'm waiting for the Macart peel off base, and I'm waiting for, I don't know, I think it was like an Aurora color, like a 6 or 8 pack. So I'm waiting for that. But I got mostly everything. Oh, that's so pretty. I don't have any blues this dark. See, this was a good purchase. And I like that it came with all those base and top coats, because I go through those like a crazy person. Oh my God. Okay, that's enough. So, yes, oh my God, I almost forgot one last thing. I finally got, you can't even tell what it is, it's so big. This is a giant makeup bag. I'm gonna open it down here. I have like the smaller one, and it's been driving me crazy because all my stuff is like overflowing. So I needed this, guys. You don't understand how much I needed this. It's so big. Oh my God. This is even better than I expected. Over here it has like slots for your brushes. You can put palettes in here. It comes with a little strap, which I don't know if I'll use. And this right here is a mesh bag in the middle. So that closes back up. And then you can open the next part. Oh my gosh. This is perfect. Oh my God, perfect. I can't wait to fill this. And then the top, which you can't see, has another huge area for brushes. I guess I need to start washing my makeup brushes. I love this. I'm thrilled. So yes, I hope that you enjoyed, and if you did, I would really appreciate it if you could leave this video a thumbs up. Comment down below, tell me how you're doing, tell me what you want to see first, and I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one.